Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the notifications from sidebar apps in Microsoft Edge browser. So sidebar apps are a useful feature from Microsoft Edge browser and they have notifications. In case you want to disable or enable the notifications, go to Settings and on the left tab select Sidebar. And as you can see, there is a settings for notifications, app and notification settings for sidebar. If you want to keep the notifications enabled, make sure this toggle is on. But if you want to turn off the notifications for sidebar apps, just turn off this toggle and it will automatically save this setting. So this is a pretty straightforward process, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.